Welcome back, I'm Tim Good, the Technical Director at Nothing But Padlocks. These are the 23 series by ABUS, the 23 Diskus locks, which are actually the entry-level Diskus locks by ABUS, but end up being actually better than all of the competition, even though they're the starter model in the Diskus series. They are made in Germany, one of very few padlocks still to be manufactured in Europe, so the quality control is excellent. Made with a fully stainless steel non-corrosive body and then the hardened steel shackle that goes right the way around the lock. So the Diskus lock itself is regarded as a closed shackle padlock because just the shape of it means that it is shrouded, so once it's actually connected to a chain, it's very difficult to get any saws or cutters onto that. That's illustrated by the fact when you take a Harsman staple. This is the 140 series Harsman staple, but if you attach the padlock to this, you'll see how the hardened steel Harsman staple basically covers all of the shackle, meaning that you would have to end up cutting through the Harsman staple before getting to the padlock, or attack the actual body of the padlock, which is pretty much impossible, to be honest. So the two models come in the 70mm size and with the 10mm shackle, and the 60mm size with the 8mm shackle, again both using hardened steel. The mechanisms are weatherproof, using non-corrosive materials, so they're suitable for outdoors, and all in all, for the price, even as their starter model, an exceptional Diskus lock for the price.